Yeah, my name is Patrick Lamarca. I'm the production manager of Sony Hall. Sony Hall is 1,000 cap standing and 450 seated. Sony Hall has been open now for about 9 months. We opened in April 2018. I'm pretty busy with at least over 200 acts.
My name is Amit Peleg, owner of Peltrix, an integration firm in upstate New York, Westchester, New York. Throughout my career in this industry, I've been installing, recommending, and mixing myself. I've learned over the years that reliability and quality are paramount. D&B is my go-to brand nowadays in terms of speakers and amplifiers because I know that when I install the equipment, I have a great company behind it that I can trust. During the design process, I got a lot of help from D&B office in New York. Michael Eisenberg from D&B recommended that I look at a potential comic technology called Soundscape.
Yeah, I briefly heard about Soundscape through some of the trade press releases that came out on it. It seemed like it would be something that could really take mixing to the next level.
D&B sent their head developer Felix to New York to help us with the final integration and the commissioning of the system.
We really sat there and picked each other's brains to figure out kind of the best way to make it more comfortable for everybody to just kind of get very quickly integrated with it.
I've been enthusiastic about Soundscape because I do see the potential growth and the expansion of its capabilities.
Because of the unique setup that we have in this place, I feel that we do get acts that are not traditional like rock or hip hop. We've had people from like Ace Frehley to Sheila E. We've had Buika, we've had Gregory Porter, Mos Def, Average White Band, and those are all people that have had guest engineers who have used Soundscape, and they've been very comfortable and very happy with it. And you could just see on their face like the excitement they have of learning the new technology and embracing it.
It puts you in a position to, well, you have to think completely differently in how you mix in order to take advantage of it.
We have been getting a lot of positive feedback from the artists themselves about Soundscape. They've been very receptive of the club. A lot of them have said it sounds incredible some nights. Something that's been really helpful with Soundscape is how modular it can be. If you have, say, a mono source, you can create a stereo source very easily with that. And that kind of really helps out to add depth and imaging and more like layering and textures to the mix, which is something that I found you couldn't do that easily before with just a panning knob.
It has been proven that my decision to recommend the system with the name of D&B behind it was the right decision, as D&B proved that they're fully behind the product.
I think with Soundscape and the PA that we have, we actually are able to draw artists and bands that are traditionally used to playing for really large venues and large theaters. I feel that they can come here and it's a very intimate space, but also the what we can provide as far as PA has been very impressive for them.